The minimalist black, red and gray color scheme of Mita trainers challenges the On Cloud 6 Coast silhouette. You may still wear the model like regular shoes or press the heel down to make it a slip-on because of its two-way construction. Rapid changes are possible on the spot thanks to speed lacing, and the mesh base's breathability ensures the best possible ventilation. The insole of the Mita trainers and On trainers are co-branded, including the Japanese retailer's unique touch, a chainlink fence graphic, as well as the logos for both brands. The Tokyo Tower, one of Japan's most recognizable monuments, can be reached at the coordinates 35.6586 degrees north 139.7454 degrees east, which is another detail Mita provided. The On Cloud cushion foam midsole and tonal outsole complete the sneaker. On June 5, 2025, it will be released globally through On and a few other stores.